Hey babes, welcome back to another video. So today's video is in collaboration with OMGHerHair. Huge shout outs to them for sponsoring this video. Guys, I love OMGHerHair. The last video I did for them, the hair was Chef's Kiss. So today's wig is another 360 wig. It is a super fitted glueless wig cap. It has real invisible HD lace. It's pre-plucked. The hairline at the front and also at the back, it can be put in a high ponytail. And also guys, it has some hidden adjustable elastic bands in the back. So this is what it's looking like. It's 20 inches, 180% density, and it's an average cap size. So guys, it comes pre-plucked and pre-bleached, and I honestly believe they had combed the front of this unit. Don't quote me on that, but it looks like it was hot combed, okay? And this thing just looks so good. It's super easy to just get this wig on. And I have most of this video in like real time to show you how easy this is. All I did was cut the lace off the back, and then I am now splitting the lace on the front so I can apply my wig in sections. It is a glueless construction, so you could like tighten your strap and wear it without like spraying it down, but because of how nice this lace is, I just want to like lay it all down, okay? So I'm just doing my hair in sections, and I'm using the 𝐒𝐸 adhesive spray. As per usual, they have like 3 different cans, but I'm using the yellow can. I like using that one under my lace, and I do like 2 layers of this and my blow dry on cool. Then once that's nice and tacky, I just place the lace into it. Guys, look at how good this hair is looking. Like, the knots are non-existent. Like, they pre-bleached this so well, and I'm just so in love. And it looks so realistic, guys. That's what I love the most. And then I'm just doing the other sides. And guys, what I love too is that I just take it outside of the package, just like how y'all saw me do, and I just apply it and I'm good to go. It does not take long because the hair is already done. I don't know. This hair is just super fabulous and I love it. I love the quality of OMGHerHair. Like, their wigs are always so nice. Like, guys, if you have like a good wig with a nice lace and it comes already done up, like, your install is pretty easy. I feel like the installs that I struggle with is when I get lace that is just not the best quality, but their quality of their lace, the quality of their lace is just super amazing. This is like really good HD lace, and it's like an invisible lace. So as soon as you put your sprays on there, it's like blended and it's non-existent. And then like right after this, I'm just gonna cut the lace off, and then I'm gonna go in with my hot comb. I did not even need to go in with my hot comb, if I'm being honest, around the edges, because around the edges looks really good, but I am gonna go in with my hot comb. And what I do, because I like my wigs really flat, I go in and I part the lace portion in small sections. I use my hot comb and I also use a wax stick so I get really flat results, like that fresh relaxer results on the hair. And guys, using a hot comb gives you like a professionally done look. It looks like someone did your hair. It doesn't look like you did your hair at home. So if you don't have a hot comb and you're into wigs, or you're trying to get into wigs, I would definitely recommend you getting a hot comb. And guys, this is me trying to find the center of my head. Y'all, finding the center for a bust down sometimes is just really hard for me. I can't find the center. So I had to part my hair like a lot of times until I finally got something that looks somewhat center. I think we got it right here. Like, this was the best that I was gonna get. And yeah, I am gonna go in with my hot comb and my flat irons, and then that's pretty much it. Like, super simple, straight to the point. All I did was add a little bit of like heat protectant on the hair for a little bit of sheen, and then that was pretty much it. I didn't cut anything. I didn't have to add baby hairs. I love like no baby hairs, so if I don't have to, I will not. And this wig is perfect for no baby hairs and like a realistic hairline. Guys, make sure you check out the description box below, and also use my code CROWNK30 to get $30 off every purchase that's over $179, okay? Click the links in the description box below, so it'll take you to this wig and also to the other like fabulous wigs that they have on their website. I do hope you guys like this video. Also subscribe to the channel, girl, before you leave, and also comment down below because this hair is giving, it's giving like a clean girl vibe. It's giving such a nice aesthetic, and this is how I love my wigs to look. I love that clean vibe. I hate a lot of baby hairs. I hate the extra stuff. I feel like I'm maturing, and now my style is very sleek, very simplistic. Like, I like a clean look, especially on my wigs. Let me know your thoughts down below, guys. Continue watching.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. Baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's you. Whatever, and I would never.
And this is our finished results. The hair is just buttery soft. That bust down is giving. It looks so good. It looks like it's coming from my scalp. And for a 20-inch, this hair is long. I love it. Super full, a really nice density to it. Really nice clean hairline. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Like, you know, put your girl on to an awesome wig review. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.